All right, so this is obviously the window regulator motor. It came out really easy, and this is not hard to rebuild. This cover comes off, then this gear thingy here comes out. That's the worm gear, kind of a planetary thing, I think. I don't know. Not really, but anyway, these, it's kind of weird looking through the camera doing stuff. These are little plastic thingies. That's what fails in them. And you can see that's just some pieces. There's one that's well worn out, but it's in better shape. But that right there is what fails in these things. Brilliant engineering. I guess it's better this than the whole thing, the gears or something. So maybe it was brilliant. But now I gotta go find the rebuild kit. So, pardon my messy garage. I think it's right here. Been here a long time, as you can see. Gosh, I can't remember the last when I rebuilt the driver's side. Quite some time ago. But let's see what we got here. Ooh, new cover even. New cover, got some grease. Wow, this is complete. Got a little O-ring, new gear. I'd forgotten all about this. It's been so long. New inner gear thingy. And these pieces, new screw even. There's the little pieces that fail. Right there, little plastic nubbins. I'm going to put it back together, put it in, see if it works.